Right, just made some pear chutney, and to make that we had to peel and core the fruit. Now, in this day of pandemic lockdowns, we've got to appreciate our food a bit more and value it as well, and that means using as much of it as possible without wasting it. So we ain't going to waste the peel and core from the pears. Instead, I've put it all into a pan there, and what we're going to do now is to boil that up to make a pear juice or pear drink. So I've covered the peel and cores with water, reasonable quantity there, and simply apply heat and bring it to the boil. When it's come up to the boil, turn the heat down and let it simmer for about an hour. When it's simmered for an hour, strain it through a jelly bag and just leave it to stand overnight. Okay, so the pear juice was strained overnight, and then I've put it into a couple of wine bottles. So this is the first time I've tried it. I've got to say, I'm not a great fan of pears, but that's not to say I'm not going to try it. Oh, actually that's not bad. Might decide that I like pears after all.